in the charming pot. I see. My next ingredient has arrived. You, my spell, no longer deprived. A morsel I will take in the cauldron, boil and bake. Your youth and flesh the only price to ensure me of eternal life. Another foolish child to trespass on this wicked place. Here, now it spells, remove that smile from your pretty face. Puzzles and hackerdash and eyes of the crow. All powers are mine now, and all that you know. Double toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble. Round about the cauldron go, in the poison entrails throw. Sweltered venom